A frozen Blackout Bingo tournament bracket usually means the app is not updating correctly, the match status has not refreshed, or the game is waiting for information to sync. By the end, you will know the steps to try when your Blackout Bingo tournament bracket gets stuck, what details to collect before contacting support, and how to avoid making the issue harder to solve. Start with the fastest checks first. Close Blackout Bingo completely and reopen the app. This forces the game to reload the current tournament information instead of using the previous screen data. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent tournament details, rankings, or bracket updates from loading correctly. If the bracket is still frozen, check whether the app has an available update. Developers often release updates to fix loading problems, connection issues, and performance bugs. The second step is checking the tournament status. A frozen bracket does not always mean your account has a problem. Sometimes the issue is related to the tournament information not refreshing properly. Check whether other parts of the app are working normally, such as menus, game screens, or your account page. If everything else works but the bracket remains unchanged, collect details before contacting support. Take a screenshot of the frozen bracket. Include any error message, tournament name, and the time when the issue happened. These details give support a clearer picture of what went wrong. The third step is contacting support with complete information. Avoid sending a short message that only says the bracket is frozen. Explain what happened, what device you were using, what troubleshooting steps you already tried, and whether the problem affects one tournament or the entire app. Clear information helps support understand the problem without needing to ask basic follow-up questions. If you already contacted support, keep your follow-up connected to the original request. Add new details instead of creating multiple separate reports about the same issue. The main points are simple. Restart the app, check your connection and updates, then provide screenshots and details if the bracket still does not move. Your next step is to reopen Blackout Bingo, refresh the tournament screen, and save evidence of the issue if it continues. If this guide helped you fix your Blackout Bingo tournament problem, subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides and gaming reward app tips.